Please subscribe, share and like, press the bell icon. You too can spread happiness. Today we will explore about intelligence, its definition along with various theories. Intelligence. The word intelligence comes from the Latin word meaning to understand. इंटेलिजेंस शब्द का उद्गम एक लैटिन शब्द से हुआ है जिसका मतलब है समझना. In general, intelligence refers to our cognitive or mental ability. Alfred Binet, the father of intelligence testing. Even psychologists agree there is no precise and acceptable definition for intelligence. मनोवैज्ञानिक भी मानते हैं कि कोई एक परिभाषा नहीं है इंटेलिजेंस की. Now let us see some definitions. Alfred Binet says intelligence is a judgment of common sense, initiative, and the ability to adjust to oneself, to judge well, to understand well, and to reason out well. Another definition coming from David Wechsler. Intelligence is the aggregate global capacity of an individual to act purposefully, to think rationally, and to deal effectively with the environment. The next definition of intelligence is by Lewis Terman. The intelligence is the ability to think abstractly. And William Sturm says that intelligence is the general adaptability to new problems and conditions of life. So common points arising from different definitions are intelligence is the ability to adjust to new situations, to solve new problems and to understand new ideas. In this video we will learn about 6 theories of intelligence. Two-factor theory, multi-factor, group factor, Guilford's model of intelligence, triarchic theory and theory of multiple intelligence. Two-factor theory is given by Charles Spearman in 1904. According to Charles Spearman, intelligence abilities are made up of 2 factors, a general factor and a specific factor. Two-factor theory. G factors are universal innate ability. In general, mental energy amount varies, but everyone has some amount of G. Whereas S factor are abilities to do particular thing, numerous and varies from person to person. One interesting thing is S factor affected by education and training, but G factor are innate and not educable. Our next theory is multi-factor theory, which is given by E.L. Thorndike. Intelligence is nothing but specific SR connections. Intelligence is an infinite number of connections in the brain. Now he talks about 4 attributes in multi-factor theory. First one is level. It means level of difficulty of the problem, range, number of tasks at a particular difficulty level, area, total number of situations, and speed, quickness of answering the test items. Group factor theory was given by L.L. Thurston. Intelligence is composed of a number of a group of closely related abilities. He called them as primary mental abilities, PMA. He also developed PMA test. The 7 PMAs are verbal comprehension, word fluency, number, space, memory, perceptual speed and reasoning. Guilford's model of intelligence. He told human intelligence has 3 dimensions: operations, contents and products. गिलफोर्ड मॉडल ऑफ इंटेलिजेंस में पहला ऑपरेशन है, वो रिप्रेजेंट करता है द एक्ट ऑफ थिंकिंग. कंटेंट से पता लगता है कि जिस भी शैली में हम लोग सोचते हैं शब्द या सिंबल में. प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं आइडियाज. Triarchic theory 1994 was given by Robert Sternberg, an American psychologist. He says intelligence comprises 3 kinds of abilities: componential, experiential and contextual. Information processing ability को कहते हैं componential intelligence, which helps in academic performance. दूसरा है experiential intelligence. It is an ability to combine different experiences in insightful ways to solve novel problems based on past experiences. Contextual intelligence का मतलब है जो प्रैक्टिकल डेली सिचुएशन होती हैं सोशल लाइफ में उनको सॉल्व करने की क्षमता. Howard Gardner gave theory of multiple intelligence. According to him, there are 7 types of intelligence, each of which is developed to a different extent in each of us. 7 types of intelligence. First one is linguistic intelligence, ability to communicate through language. Second, logical mathematical intelligence, which is used in analyzing arguments and solving mathematical problems. Third one is spatial intelligence, good at perceiving and arranging objects in the environment. Musical intelligence is ability to analyze, compose and perform music. Bodily kinesthetic intelligence, which is ability to move effectively. Intrapersonal intelligence, knowing self well, and interpersonal intelligence, last one, इसका मतलब है कि दूसरों के व्यवहार को प्रिडिक्ट करना और उनको समझना। Thanks for watching the clip. Please subscribe, share and like. Press the bell icon. And don't forget to comment for inclusion of topics of your choice.